Love lasts forever. With you, I feel like love is the ultimate. For you, I will give up my life and my heart and my love, which is the most precious thing I have. Would you take my heart and lavish your love on me? It is soothing to the soul. This world keeps us apart, but love keeps us together. When I think about you, I feel like live was as choice I made amongst all things. Is it alright if I love you honestly? I do not know how to do anything other thing. My fever for you burns deep inside my soul. But I do not itchy. I do not have so many words to say to you. But I hope my love will be enough explanation. Take my hand and let's I have this dream together. Loving each other without regrets. A new moon in the sky for us. Our love has been renewed by the heavens. I would definitely thanks the stars for making our paths cross. It is the best thing in my life. I would wait on you till I drift into a deeper slumber, never to come back again. If your love is this beautiful, I never want to experience your hate. My soul longs for you. My shadow etches for your presence. My live for you no bounds. Where I see darkness, you light up my world. Whenever I feel depressed, you give me a dose of love. I never want to be apart from you. I would go crazy within seconds. Love is a beautiful thing. They say with you, love is the best thing to experience. I do not have to say I love you. I would show you what love can do. It is no longer use that love makes you feel alive and well on your side. One needs to experience love every now and then. It prologues a lifespan. I do not know what I would have done without your love. It will always be cherished for as long as I live. I will give my life to loving you truly without remorse. Love would have meant nothing if it did not come from you. When my heart feels like it has been cracked into pieces, your live stitches it up. If you held this love blossom, be sure that I will be here for a long time. The depth of my love for you cannot be compared to the depth of the largest ocean. Love takes away your breath at rims, making you wonder how it could be so beautiful. Love makes you take decent decisions at accurate times. If you have experienced love, you have known heavenly secret. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.